Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow light in Alight Motion full guide. Import your footage, add a gradient layer above the clip, and set its blend mode to screen to reveal color. Apply a hue shift effect to the gradient and animate keyframes to sweep colors across the frame. Ease the keyframes for smooth motion and tweak saturation and brightness until the rainbow looks natural on your footage. Pick a multi-stop gradient with clear color transitions to start and place it as a layer over your clip. Use the gradient editor to add or move stops for precise hue control and adjust saturation to match your scene. If one layer lacks punch, duplicate the gradient and experiment with blend modes and opacity to build richer color without overexposure. Always preview at full resolution to judge the final look. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and give this video a like to support future guides. Quick recommendation, on another note, automobile life's too short for a stinky car, grab little trees, black ice, check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. I appreciate the support, and it keeps these tutorials coming. Now let's get back to the video. Set keyframes on the hue shift or gradient position to animate the rainbow across your scene, and use easing to create natural motion. Mask areas where the effect should appear by drawing a soft feathered mask or track a subject for dynamic placement. Tweak blur, saturation, and brightness per mask to integrate the light believably, and render a short test clip to confirm timing and color accuracy before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.